Morning children, today we will see exercise 7, that is fraction. Write true and false against the given statement and correct the statement that are false. Which statement are false? That we have to correct it. 13 upon 16 and 78 upon 119 are equivalent fraction. If you cancel these two, it is not an equivalent fraction. That's why you have to make 78 upon 112. Now if you cancel these two, it will become 13 upon 16. 33 upon 17 is a proper fraction. It is false. We know in proper fraction the denominator is greater. That's why 17 upon 33. 15 upon 33 and 5 upon 11 are equivalent fraction. It is true. If you cancel 15 upon 33, then it will become 15 upon 33. If you cancel with 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 1s are, that is 5 upon 11. And in the question it is given 5 upon 11. So it is true. 23 upon 103 is an improper fraction. It is false. We know in improper fraction the denominator is small. Therefore it is correct is 103 upon 23. 13 upon 3 can also be written as 4 whole 1 by 3. Yes, that is correct, because we know 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12, plus 1, 13 upon 3, that is 13 upon 3. 3 upon 2 is greater than 2 upon 3. What is question? 3 upon 2 is greater than 2 upon 3. We have seen this, we will just see how it is. 3 multiply 3, that is 9, then 2 multiply 2, that is 4. Is 4 greater? Is 4 greater? No, it is false. It is false. So it will be, sign will be interchange. 3 upon 2 greater than 2 upon 3. Minus 1 greater than 0.01. We know always the negative is small and the positive is greater. That's why it is true. If you multiply 0.2 into 0.3 is equal to 0.6. No, it is false, because the right side it is wrong. It should be 0.06. After 2 place decimal is there. Therefore, it will be 0.06. 135 upon 10,000. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 place, you have to put decimal. That is 0.0135. That is correct. Now 0.056 multiply with 1000. If you multiply this with 1000, after how many place decimal will be there? 1, 2, 3. And here 3 zeros will come. That means the zeros will remove. That means it is true. Now we will see question number 2. Write the given fraction in descending order. This you have done in the practice exercise. Same method we have to follow. 5 upon 6, 7 upon 8, 8 upon 9. First we have to find the LCM of 6, 8 and 9. LCM of 6, 8 and 9. With the table of 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 9 as it is. Again with the table of 2, 2 2s are 4, 9 as it is, 3 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 3 will come down, 9 will come down. Then 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3, 1 and 1 as it is. Now what is the factor? 2 how many times? 3 times. And 3 how many times? 2 times. Then 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8. Multiply 3 3s are, yes, 9. Then 8 9s are, it is 72. What is the LCM? LCM is 72. Now the same method how we have written, the same method you have to follow. The same way you have to write the question, then equal, multiply, then what the LCM came. The practice same method. Now how much to multiply with 6 to make it 72? We know it is 12. Therefore you have to multiply in the numerator also 12. Then 12 5s are 60. How much to multiply with 8 to make it 72? That is 9. Here also you have to multiply 9. Then 7 9s are 63. How much to multiply with 9? That is 8. Here also we will multiply with 8. 8 8s are 64. Now we have to arrange in the descending order. That means greater to smaller. Which is the greater number here? That is 64 upon 72. Then smaller than that is 63 upon 72. Smaller than that is 60 upon 72. Big to small. Then 64 from which number you got? 8 upon 9. Then 63 upon 72 from which number you got? 7 upon 8. Then 60 upon 72 from which number you got? 5 upon 6. This is the descending order. Is it clear to all of you? Now the second question is 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 6, 7 upon 6, 8 upon 12. We have to find the LCM of 2, 4, 6, 6 and 12. It will go in the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6, 2 sixes are 12. Again it will go in the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 as it is, 3 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 threes are 6. Then this 3 will go in the table of, yes, we know 3. 1, 1, 3 ones are, 3 ones are, 3 ones are. Now how many times 2 came? Twice and 3 ones. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. The LCM is 12. The same method we have to solve this also. 1 upon 2 equal 1 upon 2 multiply equal, what is the LCM? 12. The second number 3 upon 4 equal 3 multiply 4 multiply equal 12. The same third number 1 upon 6 equal 1 multiply 6 multiply equal 12. The third number 7 upon 6 equal 7 multiply 6 multiply whole upon 12. The last number, that is 8 upon 12 equal 8 multiply 12 multiply whole upon 12. Now how much to multiply with 2 to make it 12? 2 6 are 12. Here also you have to multiply 6. Then 6 1 are 6. How much to multiply with 4 to make it 12? 4 3s are 12. Here also 3 3s are 9. How much to multiply with 6 to make it 12? 6 2s are 12. Here also 2 2 1s are 2. How much? Again the same number. 2s are 2s are 7 2s are 14. 12, how much to multiply to make it 12? That means we know 1 is the factor of every number. Then 8 ones are 8. Now decreasing order we have to arrange this. The greater number now we have to find which is the greater number. The greater number is, yes, 14 upon 12. Then lesser than that is 9 upon 12. Then less than that is 8 upon 12. Then less than that is 6 upon 12. Then the last number is 2 upon 12. Now 14 upon 12 from which number we got? 14 upon 12 is 7 upon 6. 7 upon 6. Then greater 9 upon 12. 9 upon 12 from which number we got? 3 upon 4. That is 3 upon 4. Then 8 upon 12 as it is that number. 6 upon 12 from which number we got? 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Then 2 upon 12 from which number we got? 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. This is the descending order. Now see question number 2 of B. Write the given number in descending order. Now it is decimal. 0.0008, 0.08, 0.008, 0.8 and 8. Question you write, then change the number into like decimal. Like decimal means after decimal how many number are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again decimal, the first 1, 2, 3, 4. Again after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Again after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 8 decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this step clear to you? Now you have to arrange in the descending order. Now which is greater? We know from decimal left side 8 is there. That means 8.1234. This is greater. Then smaller than that is, yes, that is this. You can write 0.812 3 times 0. Then greater than that is, that means smaller. Smaller than that is 0.082 times 0. Then smaller than that is 0.0080. Again the last smaller, which one it is? 0.0008. Now from which number it came? That is 8. Then this is, yes, 0.8. Then this number it came from 0.08. this number it came from 0.008, and this number it came from the same number, that is 0.0008. It is the descending order.